Aluminum solder can be roughly divided into three categories: low-temperature solder, medium-temperature solder and high-temperature solder. Usually, solder with a melting point of 150 to 260 degrees Celsius is considered as low-temperature solder, which mainly adds a small amount of zinc to tin or tin-lead alloy to improve the bonding strength between the solder and the aluminum base material. This type of solder has a low melting point and is easy to operate, but the corrosion resistance of the joint is poor. Aluminum solders with a melting point of 260 to 370 degrees Celsius are generally called medium-temperature solders. They mainly include tin-zinc alloys and zinc-cadmium alloys. Due to the high zinc content, their melting points are also high. This type of solder has excellent bonding properties with aluminum. The strength and corrosion resistance of the joint are also good, but the operation is more difficult. High-temperature solder is a solder with a melting point of 370 to 450 degrees Celsius. This type of solder is mainly based on zinc. A small amount of aluminum and other alloying elements are added. Due to the different contents of alloying elements, sometimes its liquid may exceed 450 degrees Celsius. However, it is still classified as this type of brazing alloy. This type of brazing alloy has good performance when combined with aluminum and has excellent strength and corrosion resistance. However, the operation of the brazing alloy is relatively difficult.